Kajing lithe vote jong ki pajba na kamta banjet ye ki nongmi khmat shaka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council KCDC haki santali ki constituency Haribhoi kalalong kabayaj bayarenti bat ka bomdon kano kajing shapan thut kumalalong Haribhoi haki santali ki constituency kidon hadu lais palai phui tali ki polling station bat napadeng kitai ki lais palai phui tali ki polling station kidon khandru tali ki ba omdadon ke jing singan bat khalsau tali ki badon hapadeng ke jing ma ha ka ba halor kitai ki jaka bom singan bat ki badon ke jing ma nakaliang ki bor punya district Haribhoi kilapun biang ki bor pahara khnang ban light na kino ki jing ja ki ba penthut ye ka kam banjit nomi khmat shaka ke CDC kumalayo lum jing tip na ka office u deputy commissioner Haribhoi laong ba haba khain kelum ya ka jing poi jung kinong lithe vote baro ki santali ki constituency kilong silak drup sanajar nyopui ngut bat ladangin page kat kum ki percentage jung ki santali ki constituency hapo Haribhoi district kilong kum nehrum ha jirang constituency ka percentage jong ka jirang constituency kilong san phui point sau pun reu nang ta hanong po ka percentage kadai san pusan point kadai fra hamau hati constituency ki percentage ki poi hadu san pun reu point not nyau hanum sning constituency san pusau point san not ha umroi constituency drup nyau point reu wei bat la total lang ki percentage jong ki santali ki constituency hapo Haribhoi district kilong san pun reu point kadai phui percentage kublai shibun ngin sikendu pat pi ha ka wei pat ka video